Do you want a powerful character, but are you afraid that the animator will get tired before the holiday starts? The mascot rhinoceros from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory dispels the myth that strength is equal to gravity. The animator's eyes are right in the mascot's eye area, and the ventilation holes are in the same place. The view is excellent, it's easy to breathe. Inside there is a light Isolon frame in the form of a muscular trunk, which creates the effect of a powerful figure without excess weight. The suit does not constrain movements. Included, soft shoes with rubberized soles, t-shirt, gloves, overalls and cap. Every detail is qualitatively worked out, from seams to accessories. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control. Suitable for animators up to 85 centimeters tall, optimally for size 48, with a height of 175. Production time, from 14 days. An ideal solution for sports events, amusement parks, and corporate parties. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions. We ship all over Russia and to 160 countries around the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an accurate miscalculation of an individual order? Contacts for video, write, call, Carnival Factory, made in Nizhny Novgorod. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.